Good morning, children. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today's topic is in GK we are going to study about musical instrument today. Okay, musical instruments. My dear, hope you all are going through these videos which we are making and sending to you for your studies. It will help in your question answer also, and you will be, if you will watch 2 times or 3 times, you will be able to understand the things more clearly. So if you are watching it, then our efforts, we are getting the reward of our efforts. So keep this in mind. And today's topic is musical instrument. First we will try to understand what is musical instruments, my dear. Musical instruments are the instruments which is used for music. When you will see Indian Idol or that type of song competition, you will see in the TV there are many instruments, in which we will study about some of the instruments today. Okay, now I am going to see what is his name, you know, my dear. He is Ustad Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan, and he was an Indian musician, popular for Sahnai. And what is Sahnai? You know, Sahnai is this instrument which is using. See, and Sahnai is usually used in the wedding ceremony. Ustad Bismillah Khan was an Indian musician credited with popularizing the Sahnai, and usually Sahnai is used in wedding ceremony. Now we will see this. See, who is this? He is, my dear, Pandit Ravi Shankar. And this musical instrument is sitar. Now see, Pandit Ravi Shankar was an Indian sitarist. And you know which type of instrument is sitar? Sitar is a stringed instrument, and that is popular in North India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. We use strings to play it. Now you will see the next instrument. See, whose picture is this, you know? This is the picture of Amit Datta. And he was a famous guitarist. And guitar is also, my dear, a string instrument which is played by plucking the strings. The main parts of the guitar are the body, fretboard, headstock, and the strings. Now we will see the next musician. See, his name is Amjad Ali Khan. Amjad Ali Khan. And Bangesh. His full name is Amjad Ali Khan Bangesh, and he is an Indian classical sarod player. This instrument is known as sarod, and sarod is also a stringed instrument used mainly in Hindustani music on the Indian subcontinent. All over India it is seen, out of the India it is not seen. Now we will see Amjad Ali Khan Bangesh is an Indian classical sarod player. Now we are going to see about he is L. Subramaniam. And this instrument is known as violin. Violin is also like guitar and sitar. This is also an instrument. You will see here are the strings in guitar, in violin, my dear, and which has 4 strings, and is played with a bow. This is the bow. It is played with a bow. The strings are usually tuned to the notes G, D, A, E. Now we will see what is written about him. L. Subramaniam is the greatest Indian violinist. He is the greatest violinist in India. Now see, he is Hari Prasad Chaurasia. What is his name? I am writing here. Hari Prasad Chaurasia. And this instrument is flute. Usually you have seen flute in Lord Krishna's picture, and usually you will see in the Mela also you will get flute. This is a musical instrument that produces sound when a stream of air is directed against the edge of a hole. See here, from the hole he is giving the air, okay, causing the air within the body of the instrument to vibrate. Again, with the vibration the sounds comes out. See, Hari Prasad Chaurasia is a renowned Indian flute player. Now we will see about the next. See, this is the picture of Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. And which instrument he is having here? This is called santoor, and santoor is made up of walnut and has 25 bridges. Each bridge has 4 strings, my dear, and making for a total of 100 strings. It is traditional instrument in Jammu and Kashmir. Usually people in Jammu and Kashmir used to play santoor. Now you will see that Pandit Shiv Shankar Sharma is a famous santoor player. He is a famous santoor player. Now we will see the next instrument. These all instruments are musical instrument, and beside this also you will see many musical instruments. See, tabla, and this person is Zakir Hussain. And is a famous Indian tabla player, my dear. And tabla is a pair of drum type, okay, twin hand drums made of hollowed out wood, clay or metal also. And beside this there are many more instruments. In school you have learned some songs in harmonium also. That is also a musical instrument. In this when you will go in temple, there also you can see some musical instrument. So there ghungru is also an instrument. So these some of the instruments we have studied right now, and right now I am going to discuss some question answer also about these musical instruments. See, Zakir Hussain is a famous Indian tabla player. Who picture right now I have shown of Zakir Hussain only. Now see, answer this question. Here are some questions and you have to write the answer of these questions. Who made Sahnai popular? And my answer is, see, in the place of who you will write Ustad Bismillah Khan, and then you will write made Sahnai popular and put a full stop. Only what you have to change, my dear, only you have to change the place of who, and you have to write the name of Ustad Bismillah Khan, and rest you will copy the question, but in the last, in the place of interrogative mark, you will put a full stop and your answer will be complete. Let us see the next question. This is the picture of Sahnai. Okay, this is the picture of Sahnai. Who was Pandit Ravi Shankar? Wait. See, who was Pandit Ravi Shankar? And what is your answer? In the place of who? Indian sitarist. But we will start from here. Pandit Ravi Shankar was an Indian sitarist. Okay? And I will show you the picture of sitar. I think, see, the picture of sitar. These are called strings, my dear. See, these are the strings. Who is Amit Datta? Amit Datta is a famous guitarist. Okay, Amit Datta, we have Amit Datta is a famous guitarist, and see here the picture of guitar. Here also see these wires are called strings. When it shakes, some vibration comes out and sounds comes out. Which musical instrument is made out of walnut? And in this question, in the place of which, you will write santoor. Which musical instrument, in place of this much, you will write santoor, and is made of walnut, you will copy, and in the place of question mark, you will put here full stop and your answer is complete, my dear. Let us see the picture of santoor. Now you have to write the life lessons that music teaches. It is written also in your book, and I have also written here. Do not expect any reward immediately. What is the meaning of this? We should not, whatever we are doing, we should not expect that right now we will get the reward. Usually whatever we do, good or bad, if we do good, we get reward. If we do bad things, we get punishment. Now perfection is never achieved without mistake. We people are here to make mistake and learn. We should learn with the mistake and try to come out from that. Pursue your passion wholeheartedly. Every day I am telling this, whatever you are doing, whether you are dancing, singing, playing, studying, you should do wholeheartedly, and you should be very disciplined in whatever you are doing and very honest in that work. Then only you can do better. Keep an open mind to various interpretation, and working for something what you love will never feel like work. This is true, my dear. If we are working what we like to do, it is not burden on us. It happens very easily. Thank you, my dear, for today. You will write it very neatly in your copy. First you will write SWN date, and then you will give the heading, and you will do it very neatly. Thank you, my dear. Hope you all are